In the world of alternative housing, energy management is a key issue. These completely autonomous living spaces on land or at sea need to produce and store their own energy. Most of these electrical systems are designed in similar ways. Generators, wind turbines or photovoltaic panels that are coupled with chargers, batteries, often lithium batteries, which store energy before it is consumed, and finally, inverters and transformers that adapt the current to power the installation. All these components rarely communicate with each other. Batteries can be overcharged when electricity is generated, or too discharged when electricity is consumed. They can reach extreme temperatures, too hot or too cold, and major load imbalances can happen over time. These malfunctions will damage the batteries and reduce overall system performance. Easy to install and completely self-sufficient, TAO EMS controls the entire system. It oversees and controls the system to maximize energy availability. It monitors the batteries to protect them from any malfunction by regularly balancing them and controlling their temperature. Coordinates chargers to prevent overcharging, as well as inverters and transformers to avoid over-discharging them. In the event of an anomaly and after several warning levels, TAO EMS will isolate the affected equipment to protect it and to protect the rest of the installation. A well-controlled system means serenity on a daily basis. Better control, greater safety, batteries that last up to twice as long, and up to 30% higher energy performance. To learn more about our solutions, visit tao-perf.com.